What's wrong with that? Lame. Alright. Big scat right here. Or maybe not. Is that a scat? I don't know. Is that a scat? Let's see. It's got SRT Hellcat rims on there. Is that 6-piston? 4-piston? Maybe a cat. Maybe a cat. Oh, we got a big 1320 right here. You don't see those every day. I don't know what that is. That look good. Mustangs over there. Look at the details. Look at the details. Something tells me that wide body kit's not OEM. I got a feeling that wide body kit is aftermarket. I don't know too many 5.7 wide bodies. With the shaker hood though, that makes up for it. The shaker hood makes up. That's clean. I like that. That looks familiar. Big shaker situation. Illuminati. What?